back door. I'm chasing the ball. I jump. Holy cow, I can jump high. Great parking, guys. Great parking. Anything suspicious about that? He saw me. He saw me! Ah! Dude, that screams disturbing as hell. Like, holy cow. Oh, now I'm across the street. Oh. I'm gonna have to turn up my sound. Alright. Looks like this is my house. It's... I don't think that's a lamp. I think that's a bomb. Alright, guys, I had a chance to turn the neighbor on like friendly mode where he's less aggressive and he won't set traps, but I won't do that because I am a hardcore genius. And how does that sound? It's my bedroom. A family. Wow. Happening with the neighbor. See if he's alright, judging by his parking over here. I can't open the trunk. Why don't I just take this car and leave? Oh, what was that? Finding that I have to go into this freaking house. It's like, oh. Neighbor! Ah! Hey, sir. I just want you. Oh, you threw a tomato at me. Oh! Oh! Oh, I didn't know you could go on the curb. Oh. 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 I see this. I'll get back to that later. Oh, he's got me so. Anyone in here? Always have an escape plan. Oh! Alright. I need a new player. First I gotta like see what he's got. Oh, is he upstairs? Oh, it's the light. crossing. Did you hear that? I'm under forensic side. Oh no. Whoa! He jumped through his window. Hey, you dumb. Can't cross this line. I swear you can pick things up. I'm not touching. Oh, what? Wait, what? Oh, I'm holding it. Yes, sir. Take this. He got that unaffected. Oh, tomato face. This game is not too scary. Scary can handle this. Sneaking into your like girlfriend's house without the father finding out be like, oh no. Why can't I like pick things up? Hold on. I'm picking noodles up. I can pick noodles up. Until I can pick things up. Well, I'm gonna come back and try to look through my settings. Let's see. All I gotta do is connect to the kitchen. Oh! I'm not gonna. Punk. Yeah. Assault. Oh, I hold it. Oh my god. That could have been good to know. Oh, you never think he's outside. Oh! On your arse, little man. Alright, I'm gonna discuss my game plan. First, I gotta find out where he is, alright? Lead him outside his house. So wait for him to watch TV, turn off the power. He comes out, gotta run over there, run into the kitchen, where I almost died last time. Open the fridge. I really don't know, but I feel like there's something in the fridge. There's books up here. I throw some knowledge at him. Get to your neighbor's house, chuck a book at him. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. You chuck the book at the window breaks, and you gotta book it to the other side of the street. That's the game plan. This is the final stand, alright? Ah! I think he's distracted. Grab! He's. Oh, book it out the fridge. The window. I think you see. Plan B. I gotta go up there. I gotta break the top window. I gotta get into the house, go down the stairs, and get whatever's there. All right, in the fridge. All right, but I still gotta leave him outside the house. So I'm gonna turn off the power. Hurry, get up, wait for him to pass, break the window, run down to the fridge, grab the key, and book it. All right, that's the plan. Okay. Let's go turn off the power. Now run this way. Now run this way. Good jump. Serious. do that for no reason. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, great. No trapped up here. Ah!